Imagine a world where computers can learn, think, and even create. It may sound like science fiction, but artificial intelligence, AI, is already reshaping our world. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. In this video, we'll explore the ways AI is changing the world and what we can expect in the future. Part 1. AI in everyday life. AI is no longer confined to science fiction movies. It's already embedded in many of the technologies we use every day. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand our voice commands and respond accordingly. Recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to suggest content based on our viewing and listening habits. Part 2. AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry is another area where AI is making significant strides. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. Additionally, AI can help develop new drugs and treatments by analyzing vast amounts of data. Part 3. AI in business. Businesses are leveraging AI to streamline operations and gain a competitive edge. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, while AI algorithms can optimize supply chains and predict customer behavior. Moreover, AI is transforming industries like finance, marketing, and manufacturing. Part 4. The future of work. As AI continues to advance, it's likely to have a profound impact on the workforce. While AI may automate some tasks, it's also creating new jobs in fields like data science and machine learning. The future of work will require humans to develop skills that complement AI, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Part 5. The ethical implications of AI. While AI offers many benefits, it also raises important ethical questions. Issues such as bias in algorithms, job displacement, and the potential for autonomous weapons are just a few of the challenges that society will need to address. It's crucial to develop ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI. Conclusion. AI is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize our world. While there are challenges to overcome, the benefits of AI are undeniable. By understanding the potential of AI and working together to address its ethical implications, we can create a future where AI serves humanity.